A vast number of digital influencers are making huge money on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. But did you know many of them are not real? You heard right. They are fake and made by AI. In today's video, I will share the method of creating hyper-realistic Instagram influencers with AI. Not only that, I will also share the method of creating a passive income with this AI influencer. So without further ado, let's dive in. Generate name for Instagram model. First of all, we need a good name for our account. To generate a good name, we can use various websites or even ChatGPT. After coming to ChatGPT, give a prompt. Give 10 Instagram influencer name suggestions. GPT suggested some names for the influencer channel, but we will create a personal account. Let's enter another prompt. Give me 10 girl names with last names. ChatGPT will generate a list of full names for you to choose from. All right, friends, we have got our name. Now we will set up an account on Instagram. Create an Instagram account. If you don't have an account on Instagram, you can create an account with your Facebook or email account. I already have an account, so I will log into my account and then customize it. After logging in, click on the 3-bar menu, select Settings, then click on Personal Details. Change the name and create a unique username. Create first fake Instagram model. Now it's time to upload a profile picture, but we don't have any profile pictures, and we can't use others' profile pictures. To solve this issue, we will create a fake character using Leonardo AI. If you are new to Leonardo AI, create an account with your Google or Gmail account. After logging in, select the photo reel as the featured model. Enter a detailed prompt to generate your images. Once you have generated the images, download one of them. Upload this image as your profile photo on Instagram. After uploading the image, add a bio to your new Instagram account. Now we have to upload photos and reels on our account. Generate images with Tensor Art. It's very difficult to generate consistent characters in any image generator, and Leonardo AI allows a certain number of images per day for free. For this reason, I will use an alternative, Tensor Art. You can create an estimated 100 images per day for free with this tool. After coming to the Tensor dashboard, find and select the Epic Realism Face model. Select an image similar to your model image created by Leonardo AI. Click on the Remix button, customize the settings, and hit the Generate button. Download the generated images. Face swap between images. The images do not match exactly with my original model, which is not acceptable for a professional Instagram account. To solve this issue, we need to swap faces between our model and the images created by Tensor Art. For face swapping, I will use an AI tool called InSkip Swap on Discord. Join the Discord server and enter Save ID with your model image. To swap faces, give the prompt Swap ID, upload one image, and enter the Save ID. Hit the Generate button, and the new image will look exactly like your model photo. Repeat this process for all the images. Now we have a large number of images with the same look and face. Upload images on Instagram. Now we can upload all of the images to our Instagram account. It will be more believable if you upload some reels. But how can we record reels? We won't record any reels, but use others' reels. Find reels that have similar body shapes and hair colors. Download some reels. Face swap between video. To swap faces from a real video, use a Google Colab notebook. After coming to the Colab notebook, hit the Connect button. Clone repo and install dependencies. Upload your targeted reels and source images. Change the target video and source image file paths. Hit the Run button for deep fake. After completing the process, download the swapped video. Repeat this for all your videos. Upload the reels to your Instagram account. Now the account looks like a real account. To increase the number of followers quickly, analyze similar accounts and follow their followers. They will follow back. With this method, you can quickly increase followers. Now you can promote offers with your AI-generated Instagram account and earn passive money. You can apply the same method on TikTok and other social media platforms. I would love to hear about your experience creating Instagram influencers with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.